Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get round fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And we did retrace. I left you thinking, hey, can BTC go back to 50K, or where are we going from this point on? And now I'm coming back to you. A lot has happened. Things have changed in the crypto market, and we're going to talk all about it. But before we do, guys, we're trying to grow the Goon Gang. You are watching this video for a reason. Make sure you hit that subscribe. It does help that channel out. Don't tell the algorithm, hey, recommend me stuff. You tell the algorithm what you like to watch. So that's why interact with the video in some way, shape, or form. It does help out. All right, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to go into the market. You guys already know how we do it around here. And this is a gentle reminder. We have cut the stream down. Instead of streaming 4 times a week, we are only streaming 2 times a week, Monday and Thursday, 8:15 p.m. We're going to cut the stream back, and we're going to try and give you a little bit of a different content in the crypto YouTube algorithm. So I'm going to try and work with a little bit similar to how we approach the Explore the Weird channel. If you guys follow my second YouTube channel, you can see steady growth over there. So I do want to try and work with the YouTube algorithm. So there are changes happening to this channel. I appreciate you guys sticking aboard as we go through them. Selmo Fudd, what's going on? Nice to see you, William. Good evening, goons. Good evening, goons, indeed. Selmo, buddy, how's everything with your health? My wife was asking, how are things? What's going on? And Shaman says, with the killer advice, buy high, sell low. You know how to lose money very well. So it works. It works for some people. You got to show, that you've depreciated in value. It helps. Hey, Bolotika, nice to see you, buddy. I saw you were scalping like anything with us the other day, and even won a few trades of your own. We love to see it. We love to see it, buddy. That's exactly what we're all about. Education across the board. And, we are learning. I'm making informed decisions. Our crypto wallets are either going to grow or go nay in this coming week. And we are going to talk about it during the charts. So it's going to be quite interesting. I'm checking in with you on that Monday today, and then I'll be basically checking out on that Thursday and leaving you in good hands over that weekend and coming back on that Monday. And it's going to be an interesting change of schedule indeed. Oh, hey, Teddy, Shaman, Selmo, and Bolo. What's going on, Steve the Canadian? No one gets rich if there's no exit liquidity. Absolutely, buddy. Yeah, that's doing better, Teddy. Thanks for asking. Salmo Fudd, yeah, I'm glad to hear this, man. I'm really glad. So you're recovering well, got that blood in check, and that's what we care about. The goons care about our own. And, when we heard that news, I think it affected us all deeply. So talking about the market, 1.68 trillion. Remember, we have seen this as high as 1.78, 1.8 even, right? So we got really good, and then we retraced. We knew that retracement was coming. We just didn't know when. We didn't know whether we were going to hit 50K and then it retraces. But, in reality, we did hit 49K. Great level, an anticipated level in BTC, and we're going to talk about it during the chart segment. I do have a few news articles I want to get to you guys about before we even start, but it did start off very, very well. Last week we got everything we wanted, and then we had that retracement. So now we're really watching this retracement to see where the BTC price is going to go. And the biggest thing that has happened is the same thing that happened to us back when BTC was 26K, and we were debating whether it was going to go down further or have a reversal. And we are back in that same situation, except now BTC's price is at 42, right? So we need to figure out where's BTC's price going so we can make some educated guess on the market, because the crypto market tends to follow BTC. It's the most dominant coin, and we're watching it very closely. So at the same time, Ethereum also holding its own. over last week, it's up 9% versus Bitcoin, which is down 9%, right? So we are anticipating Ethereum ETFs. We are anticipating XRP, Solana. We are anticipating more ETFs to come in, and that's what people are banking on, right? So even AVAX, another ETF that could potentially come on the board, ADA, Cardano, right? So same exact thing, guys. You have to understand where you want to position yourself when that bull market comes in. No one is saying it is too late. No one is saying it is too um, early, right? I feel this is the perfect DCA amount, meaning you don't put all your eggs in right at this moment, right? You put a little bit, you buy a little bit, you see where it goes, you buy a little bit more, and that's what you keep going. So we like that market trend 1.68. I am keeping close watch to it. I'll talk about it during the chart so you see it from the Triple G indicator built by our very own SK. So it's going to be quite interesting change from what we normally are used to. So Shaman says 34K. Absolutely, buddy. I'm waiting. We're going to talk about 34K as well, because there is some achievable levels that could happen if BTC doesn't sustain at the levels that we're looking at, right? So this is a true thing that we're discussing. So we do have to talk about the dominance, and it did dip below 50%, which is unheard of in the crypto universe, but it is anticipated. Unfortunately, I didn't think it would happen this quickly, but we are seeing ETH dominance rise as BTC's dominance goes down. So it is clearly showing, hey, money is flowing in to the altcoins. The other dominance I'm looking at is BNB versus Solana. I think Solana is still playing are we a real chain? Are we not a real chain? And people are just anticipating its next move. But while that anticipation is happening, BNB may gain more dominance and go to 3%. And as I'm saying that, I see it just gained another 0.01. So I am seeing the money flow out of BTC because now the ETF is here. Now we just wait, right? So everyone knows from this point on, it's the halving, and then 1 year out from the halving is when BTC is supposed to have its all-time high, because historically that's when it's been. So we're looking somewhere between September 2025, maybe October, but it is somewhere around then. That's what we're looking at. Excruciating. I am very happy to know that you are watching me on Twitch. I appreciate that, buddy. Unfortunately, I don't do paid viewers, so I do apologize, but I say stay valiant and get those sales, bro. Don't give up. Never give up on your dream, bro. You got to make them sales. Hey, dominant switching. Here we go. We're coming back up, boys. We're coming back up. Oh boy. Nah, it's fine. So we did talk about biggest gainers and biggest losers. Bonk. And we did look, a long position came into Bonk. Bonk retraced. And W, what's going on? Nice to see you. Always a pleasure. Bonk did retrace, but it is not too much of a retracement. We're only talking 5% down. Brand new day. Not too concerned. I'm okay with where this is currently sitting, and we're gonna see what happens. The other shout out, ENS, Ethereum name service. We looked at it when it was $12. It's had that 2x. I was out, I think, around 16 at that point. I got out quite early, but at this point, it's had a great pump. It's expected retracement. ETC had a great pump. We're expecting retracement, right? So now you go back to what we do and have talked about: INJ, SEI, SUI, right? Chili's. These are all tokens we've looked at as goons and considered, hey, these look to be suitable. Like Red Sox, I think, was the first one to tell us about Stacks and SEI, right? Like those were the two. We got SEI on Coinbase and Stacks on Coinbase as well, and it was a good investment. I'm currently out of these, but at some point I'm looking to DCA. What my next I really was considering Bonk, because I'm expecting Solana to take off even more. At this point, I'm just trying to find my right entry point into Bonk, and I think I will hold a little bit of Bonk and potentially, what was the other one? Whiff. I was looking at Whiff for AVAX. That looked pretty good. I don't see it on here, but these were considerations that I was anticipating DCAing on, as they are altcoins. But talking about altcoins, we do have to talk about the life cycle of altcoins as well. So I do want to keep everyone open and the information free flowing. So I don't want to, hit you with the gotcha. You needed to know this before before this type stuff. But Myro is a one that's been emerging. I'm very interested in learning more about it. But this rally um, did go on for a little bit over the last few days, and now they're saying, hey, it's come to an end as new meme coins take over. So it sounds like, hey, they're getting the FUD news. But to be honest, they did very well from when they launched in November to now to 13 cents. That's not too bad. That's a straight 10x almost. A straight 10x. So yeah, the market's been doing fairly well. Love to see Bitcoin back in here. Dion Protocol. Oh snap! I was big into Dion. I think I sold all my Dion bags now. I gotta go back and check what Dion is up to these days. How are they doing? Oh yeah, back up to their all-time high, and I sold at an all-time high. Maybe I get back in. I don't know. We'll consider. We'll consider. But yeah, these guys are interesting. Redworks, XAI, Inspect. I hadn't heard of Inspect. What the heck is Inspect? When did these? What? December. Okay, yeah. This is a fairly new coin, so they must just be making moves. Haven't heard of it though. Quite interesting. TIA gonna retire generations of my family. Oh, Celestia? Celestia is TIA, right? Yeah, TIA. Celestia. Really? Generations of family? You're at what? You got it at $20 or you got it at $2 NW? Oh no, you got an airdrop of this, didn't you? You're like, bro, they gave me 2,000. What do I do? What do I do? Dude, you're up 8x from when it launched. So that's not bad. 8x really isn't that much even. So even 3 billion market cap. Got a long way to go, buddy. It can be done. It can be done. Wait, why is it showing Myro down here? What the hell? Damn it. Damn it. No, okay. We're okay. The prices were good. Yeah, but it's still very proud. Very proud. Yeah, I got it for free. Yeah. The airdrops of TIA will print. Bro, I'm trying. You have no idea. I'm trying to qualify for all these airdrops, but they just keep sending our DGen wallet more scam NFTs. They're like, interact with this 1,000 USDC bonus reward. And you're like, all you got to do is interact with the NFT and you get everything. You're like, oh, really? Oh, okay. Boom. It's a freaking dust NFT. It cleans your entire wallet as soon as you interact with it. You're like, I thought I was going to make 1,000. I'm like, really, bro? Really? You're going to do all that for 1,000? What was the other one? We also invested in Mickey. How did Mickey end up doing? Those NFTs, Teddy, you got them for 0.3 ETH. You were like, dude, we're going to make it all back. And look at you now. Oh boy. Things have happened. Things have progressed. All right. So yeah, that was basically what was happening there. We're going to talk about futures as well. And futures, this is unbelievable. People are going so bullish on BTC. It is a 70-30. Guys, I have been streaming with you guys for 2 years. Maybe even longer at this point, because I came from RuneScape. So it is literally wild. It is literally wild to see 27%, 28%, 72 bullish. Like, we have never seen the ratio this bullish. And when you flip over to ETH, it's back to its OG. Like, it's always been 70-30. It's now back to like that. It was 60-40 the last few days last week, but now BTC is really, really going super bullish. And what's interesting is BTC goes super bullish when it's altcoin week. So altcoin week, and we could figure that out by dominance changing. We see where the money is flowing, and that's basically what's happening. Yo, BNB's going, bro. BNB's going. I think 400 is achievable now for BNB if everything goes right, and we'll talk about that too. But that's all I had for the market. We are going to continue on to the news, and as I said, we have to talk about altcoin life cycle, guys. Since CoinGecko listed in 2014, right? Out of over 24,000 crypto tokens that have been put on the CoinGecko site, 14,000 have been declared dead. Isn't that crazy? They are literally coming at you and saying, hey, there's only really 10,000 real crypto assets that you should consider. The rest of them are just dead. So during this period, and this is 2020 to 2021, 11,000, right? And out of those 11,000, 7,530 are shut down. That's a 70%. 70% of the altcoins, that shit coins, meme coins that people are degenning into, you are guaranteed to lose because over time, over years, they're failed projects. And that's basically what CoinGecko is doing, right? So what CoinGecko now has is they have all these uh, data for crypto trends, and they can figure out, hey, these trends do well, these trends don't do so well. And that's basically what's been happening. So many people are studying these trends and go, hey, crypto 70% failure rate, no one's gonna go. And out of that 30% that is successful, define the success. It goes even more minimalistic. Out of that 30%, it's really like maybe 5-10% that you invest in. But it is still something to consider that there is such a high rate of failure when it comes to new tokens that are emerging, even a few years ago, right? So be very cautious, guys. Be very cautious as we go into 2024. 7,500 rugs and more if you consider the shitcoins that don't get listed. Absolutely. Even I get suckered after years. 2 months ago, got drained for 1,500. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate Ethereum, bro. And on Starknet, they do 2FA. Oh, okay. Yeah. 2FA pretty good, but your seed, they still need 2FA. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like the 2FA. I've even seen some wallets now. The cold storage wallets have the biometric, so those are pretty cool as well. Or a PIN code before you actually accept it. There's all kinds of crazy things now. But I thought this was a very nice article. I loved it, and it was intriguing. So other fun things, we always got to talk about stablecoins, and whether they have the reserves to back up their liquidity or not, right? That's always into play. To me, when it comes to USDC or USDT, I don't think at this point they've been established for so long. If there was something shady going on, shouldn't they have caught onto it years ago, not just now? But I'm not sure. Gary Gensler, get in on that, man. Let us know. Go after the right crooks, right? But no, Gary won't do that. The government's already in. The government's already in Circle, Teddy. The government's already in USDT, Teddy. Don't you know? So yeah, they've done some new functions, improvements, all this good stuff. USDC 2.2, and they've are saying that it's get less gas. They said it was EIP 1271, so you can pay fees using USDC. You don't just need ETH in order to do this. So I was like, quite interesting. So they have a lot of things going on. Developers are continuing to make improvements on their chain, and you start to go, hey, if they're making changes, I feel like they're here to stay. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Going to continue on. Actually, which one? Talking about the stable coins. We had a stable coin DPEG and DPEG, and it's currently still DPEG, not by much, but it's still currently DPEG 98 cents. 98 cents. We expect true USD to stay at $1, but it did DPEG. There was a sell that happened 330 million into USD, and that caused it to have this. So the real time at tests, I think assets of TUSD stopped working since yesterday, which potentially means that this was reported as under collateralized. See status. That was no. Where was the other guy? Oh, that was in the other article. Okay. I was also reading that on their thing they had restarted it, but I guess that was the other one, or maybe that was CoinDesk. Sorry, I read so much now; it's impossible to keep up. But DUSD, depegged, no good. People upset, and actually, I may be able to get the actual chart. Let's see, TUSD. Do, 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 do. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Yeah, 98 cents. I think currently trading. They did turn it back on. Yeah, currently trading. So, hey, it's a free 2 cent increase if you go long on it now, right? Can I go long on it? Where can I buy this, Teddy? Where are you doing the futures, Teddy? Oh buddies, Mexi. Awesome. I can do it on Mexi Eat TUSD pair or TUSD pair. Okay. Interesting. So maybe I'll have to convert some. Oh no, they have a USDT pair. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I may consider this. Free 2 cents going up, bro. Why not? Why not? So yeah, that also happened as we talk about stabilization to stable coins. We have one that depegged while one upgraded. And now our final article for the news is Dogecoin. Can it rally back up to 10 cents? Guys, we have talked about this. We even looked at all the meme coin charts and we've seen the fib retracement play out in order to push those numbers to where we had them to. Now they're anticipating another rally. So potentially something brewing up. We also know Elon's talking about later in the year potentially getting X as its own payment processor or its own method of payment. You can do everything on X, he's saying. So, will he include Doge in that payment processing? That's another thing to consider. So, people go, hey, we're uncertain, but for the most part, they do think they will prevail and this will go bullish and it will achieve 10 cents. So I've done this reading for you. You guys know triple G indicator and fib retracement is enough for us to make predictive decisions, and we will look at the chart as well. But it is something to look at because Dogecoin is one of those unlimited supply tokens, and you go, hey, coins, and you go, hey, how long is this model sustainable? And it seems to be working out quite well. So we'll continue to monitor it. I'm on it. We're all watching it, and we're gonna see where this goes. But 10 cents is the anticipated move. The anticipated move. All right, so that's all I had for the news. So that means now the fun can start, Teddy. I need to talk about the charts. I need to look at the chats. Show me the chats, Teddy. The chats. Oh, the chats, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy, indeed. I am continuing to be scared but optimistic because right now we're about $1,000. We're about $1,000 for BTC to find uh, a candle here and go right back up to the 0.618 level, which puts us back into that bullish trend. That means the 43,935. I understand it's 42,600. Okay, it's 1,300, whatever it may be. It is less than $2,000. And why I'm saying this is completely normal for BTC to go $2,000 up, $2,000 down on any given day. What you don't want is consecutive days of that happening without recovery. And why people are getting scared is you're seeing movements down and you're having consistent movements down where that support is being tested at 41,750. 41,750, you had support really. We had the fib retracement level at 41,965. It's close enough that you see that level of support. It got it pushed up to the 0.382 level. And now we're looking at two levels. We need to get past the 0.5. We need to get to 0.618. We need to close above 0.618 for BTC to continue to have that bullish trend. We are going to look the entire day. You see the trend in the futures. People are super bullish on BTC. They do anticipate it is going to catch support again and push. Why else would there trend, which normally we see at a 50-50 split, right? We're looking at a 70-30 split, guys. Like, that is just wild. Buy the dip, baby, triple G's. And now this is the crazy part. We're having all this happen while triple G indicator on the long term still holds the long position since September, right? But Indian oscillator has flipped over a few times in that period. So is this anticipated downtrend that Indian oscillator shown, right? That bearish trend, is it going to last a few more days before another crossover? So I am anticipating narrowing of this if we can get the support to come in and raise the price up. Now, what happens if that support doesn't come in? We are moving to 40,748. There is no ifs, ands, or buts. It is the next level of support that BTC is going to hit. And after that, we move our fib retracement because, oh boy. And someone said it here, 34K. 34K right before takeoff, right? So there were anticipated levels of support between 34K and 40K. So it's a whole different level of charting we do, but it is levels we are familiar with. So we are anticipating hopefully a potential positive price action if we can get that level of support to stay consistent and continue to rise. All right, let me see. Beef on AVAX, steady 25K market cap NFT airdrop to holders. Got beef? I do not. Where are you buying beef? Teddy, where? But dude, there was a few of these all the way me and all the way DM each other on Telegram, and sometimes he sends me plays, and I'll tell you the last few plays this guy sent me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I kept getting out too early because I'm like, oh, I got a 2x, I'm good. And this guy's like, I'm in, Teddy, I'm in. 2x ain't enough. And he'll ride these waves, dudes, all the way to like 10x, 15x. He's really chasing the X's. So it's nice to see. I love to see the goons degenning out, but I have degened way out too much that I need to be very steady. But yeah, I'll take a look at beef on Avex during goon time. So yeah, that was BTC. Let me move over to ETH as well. You guys know ETH has been doing fairly well, holding its own, still above the 0.618 level from the last time we charted it. It did dip below the fib retracement we charted, but we left that fib. So I am still going, hey, bullish sentiment 0.618 reached. Maybe time to move the fib retracement. I'll wait maybe one more day. I see triple G indicator still shows level of support 2,447, and we still have Andean oscillator showing that bullish trend. So I still go fairly bullish on Ethereum. And now I talked about BNB. We got to re-talk about BNB because BNB making those moves up, right? So this is how nice the fib retracement. We see that levels of support catch. We see BNB making that upward trend. So I'm hoping this upward trend continues. It closes above the 0.618. Dudes, we are looking at potential 367. If that happens, that would be amazing. If in all reality it could go up all the way past that to 400. 400 if that true bullish sentiment stays with us all the way through. So that's a pretty good feeling, guys. I like what I see. So yeah, Solana. I am anticipating the narrowing, and it's like it's just never narrows. It got me with the fake out here. I'm like, oh, this is it. It's gonna cross over, right? That was the day after I left you guys. I'm like, oh, I see it's narrowed, and it never crossed over. So now it's getting wider. I do worry a little bit, but if it does retrace, we have seen it catch support at 85. So 85 could get tested again. There is a lot of downtrend happening, but it is something when it comes to Solana and that ecosystem and how the degens are with the Solana ecosystem. I can totally see this continue to make trends up. And we got that Solana phone, Teddy. The Solana phone. It's gonna change the world. It's gonna change the way you do business. XRP, XRP, XRP. So fib retracement charted. We got Triple G also showing 50 cents as the next level of support. Currently, we do have resistance at 57.78. We're very close to a resistance level. And you see how narrow, guys. This is how narrow my Indians are. I'm literally waiting for this. I need the opening to open up. It is so narrow. Crossover. Let's have that next level of support. But everything is riding on the overall crypto market. People are looking at BTC. They're all seeing that 50-50. No one's truly sure. And that's what scares them, right? So I look at this, I go, we are DCAing more. All this is another DCA. If my goal is $2, bro, 58 cents is nothing, right? Michael Saylor, he bought BTC at 46,100. BTC now at 42,000. You think he's going to sell his BTC? You think he's selling any of his altcoins just to recuperate? No. Right now, it could be tough. It's going to get better. That's his feeling. That's his feeling. All right, so Shiba, Doge, Pepe. Whoa, 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 whoa. We had Pepe do a short signal that came in last week, and now we went, hey, Andean Oscillator went bullish. We rode that bullish trend, and then boom, Andean Oscillator crossover, short signal about to stay. I yet again go bearish on Pepe, and now I go back to Doge, which has held that bear sign. And we've read the Dogecoin news, right? Hey, people are anticipating 10 cents. I love 10 cents. I have level of resistance at 10 cents. Why are they anticipating that? Because it hasn't been tested again. So they are analyzing the chats just like us, and they go, okay, it's going to retrace, but it's going to catch support. My support puts it at 6, right? 6.8. 8 cents, 7 cents is just, hey, I'm DCAing there because I don't know if it's going to reach 6 cents again. So it's the risk that I'm willing to take. It seems like a good DCA opportunity to go make trends up. But then you go back to Sheeb, and we've been so bullish with Shibarium, and Shibarium moving Shiba Inu's price up, and that just never has happened, at least in the times that we have charted it. It's done great. It's had great positive movements up, but now we are getting short signals, and the scare is how long is that short signal here to last? Because in the past with SHIB, we have seen a short come in and we have dropped, right? We have gained a 0, and the fear is same is going to happen again, which it has. Currently you've gained the 0. People are anticipating you're still above the 0.618 in the grand scheme of things. This goes bullish, but I've been played with this narrow Andean with SHIB that I'm just going to play it safe and say, hey, be very skeptical. Most of the times the shorts come in, it is very rare that you see a short that is not a true move down. So now we are here. How much do you think, just knowing historically how well the Triple G indicator has called a short, where do you think we are in the short of SHIB? So that's all I'm going to say there. You are your own person. You make your own decisions. So bonk, 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 bonk. We had the long come in last week on stream Thursday, and then it went to consolidating. So people went, oh, Teddy, nothing's going to happen. This is another anticipated move down. Hey, my daughter is sick, and she is runny nose. But she gets, she's happy to see the goons, I guess. So she comes up. So that's what's happening with Bonk. What's going on, Kara? She's got the Lamborghini. You got the Lamborghini? You want to show the goons the Lamborghini? It's the same Lamborghini. It hasn't changed. You can't see it, but she's got it. She's playing. She's playing. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. All right. So Bone. Hey, Bone. Still short. Still going short. Hey, no, that's my hard drive. Don't touch that. No hard drive. No hard drive, please. All right. Yeah, so that's all I literally had for charts. I'm gonna move over to goon time. just to be safe in case Kyra goes crazy here. Kyra, you gonna go crazy? You sick, baby? I hear you coughing. We gave her medicine, but it's still not enough. She's gonna be sick. Yeah. Guys, I want to check out that AVAX coin for all the way Inu here. 1 second. Here, take her. Take the Lambo, Kyra. Thanks. Let me check out that AVAX. Oh, Kyra. Oh, Kyra. Beef, Teddy. 25K market cap on AVAX. Bro, why is there so many beefs? 12 days ago, 2 days ago. Dang, man. We just want the BFI. BiFi. Beefy.finance. Why does this sound familiar? Have we looked at BiFi before? Wait, so where's the 25K LP one? This one says 3.26K. And it's up 17%. Maybe it is this one, bro. 3.26K. Oh, okay, yeah. 25K market cap is what he said. Okay, yeah. This is it. So it's only 3K in, bro. How are you banking on this? What do you know? How are you banking on this? Oh, yeah. A bunch of people. 1 AVAX, 3 AVAX. Look at these buys. What the heck? What do you know that I don't know? It's a new project, 3 days old. Yeah, that's what it seems like, dude. $3,000 in, 27K market cap. Anything can happen, I guess. Pooled AVAX, 45 AVAX altogether. So early. All right, interesting. I'll keep this on my. Or actually, I can probably. I think my Degen wallet has a little bit, right? Dex swap. Can I buy it here? Okay. Are you gonna let me buy it? That's what that is my question. Don't take all my stuff, man. Or try Trader Joe. Oh, it's on Trader Joe. Do I have AVAX? Switch to AVAX. Okay, buddy. Okay. Do I have AVAX? Dude, what? I have AVAX. Yes, I have 0.5. All right, here we go. We're buying beef. 0.25. I'm throwing money in there. Wait, what's happening? Why is she crying? Or 0.3. We'll throw half in there. There you go, buddy. Throw an AVAX in it for. I'm about to get a free NFT. Don't drain my wallet, I guess. Wait, should I actually check this to make sure they don't drain my wallet? 1 second. 1 second. Audit. What is the audit? Contract verified. No. Yes. Honeypot, no. Honeypot, no. What's wrong? What's wrong? Bro, this feels so early. I'm now skeptical. You didn't get contract renounced. Actually, the contract is renounced. Control over it, so no one can mint new tokens, rise taxes, or other dangerous contract conditions for investors. Contract is renounced. Convince me all the way, you know. Should I do this one too? Screw it. Just do it, Teddy. Just do it. He hasn't steered you wrong yet. That's true. He hasn't steered me wrong yet. All the way, you know, I'm feeling this, man. Let's do it. 3 days old. You gonna help push it? I'm just waiting for the thing to confirm. Beef on AVAX. Won't this confirm? Hey. Guess I'm gonna be getting it, or it's already there. All right, I guess I wait. But yes, this looks good. This looks interesting. Looks quite interesting, sir. Sorry, sir. Dude, Snow Trace is just wild. It's like I look at this and it's so much red. It's like it looks like alarm bells to me. But supposedly, yeah. See, this is what happens to me too. There's all these like random tokens that people just give you, and you're like, oh, should I interact with this or should I not? All right, so 13 minutes ago. Look at this. Wrapped AVAX, B for A Bob. For AVAX. Dude, this is just wild. Look at all these things. Okay, yeah, let me import this. Thank you. That's what I was or wait, is there an import here? Yes, I know. Thank you. I appreciate it, buddy. You have to keep me updated. Don't leave me hanging when this takes off because it'll be like last time. I'll be like, damn it. Wait, how's COQ doing? What the hell? Why is this trending number one? Okay, yeah. It's tapered off really. And what else has been going on? BTC, B, Joe, Trader Joe. Joe, Token Teddy. Dude, I haven't even kept up with anything on AVAX really ever since Solana took off. Baby Grok just pegged. This is what the hell is this? People can't sell. Honeypot says no. BTC going up to 48 slowly, please. Let me go back to BTC. 48. 48 can be done. How's it going, Haifa? Man, let me tell you. So 49K was achieved. If it closes above, I like literally this week, I'm not going to stream again till Thursday, but in reality, if it closes above 43,935, you go super bullish. 48K, completely achievable, right? As long as it closes above 0.618 is the level. Huge daily vector. Okay, so you are looking at vector signals. Let me see here. I haven't seen a daily vector truly explained to me. Let me see. Vector analysis. What's this one? So you see something which they talk about here, TSI vector. Wait, which vector indicator are you using? See, it can't be TSI vector, are you? So something in your thing is showing you a big buy signal because you're getting this type of vector. Yeah, I guess I can see that because we had a straight downtrend down. Okay, I see. So you're seeing a signal here, which shows you it went straight down with the anticipated move, this being the top. Okay. I guess I can kind of understand that. Got a nice clean gap. Finally break the downtrend past the 43 weeks. And this is on gold. So imagine this on crypto. And then you look at the true strength index and it goes up. Okay. Yeah, buddy. I'm with you, Haifa man. I hope so. I'm right now considering short term because the way we've tracked BTC's movements in the past, anything can happen. So the next few days are gonna be make it or break it for BTC. All right, let me see. I'm not seeing anything else come in. I'm gonna say this is it, guys. I am streaming 2 times this week, 2 times for every week here on out, Monday and Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you tune in. If you have any questions, you guys know I'm always available. Telegram or X, TEDIGANJA. So I leave you be. Stay safe, stay strong, and I just smoke the like button. And most importantly of all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.